Yeah, sure, Miss
The third
Mubashir.
eye.
Very good, girl. Sure. Very good, ma'am. Good. Keep up. Start now.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Rukaya Ansari. I'm student. Today's my topic is internet. Basically, internet short form is a net, and internet is a network to connect more than 2 to 3 devices. And internet today's our life become very no today's internet become very important for our life, and it's it has been become unimaginable. Without internet our life been unimaginable, and internet provides a lot of information, and we can easily find anything with the help of internet. And um, now I often go online and according to my schedule, and I always read books on internet, and sometimes I read newspapers, and mostly I watch mostly I watch motivating movies, and most of my favorite websites like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and etc. And on YouTube, I mostly watch videos, my lectures, my college lectures, and in Instagram, I always read articles. And inter- today's internet become very important because due to pandemic, we can't go outside, and so with the help of internet we can communicate with anyone in the corner of the world, and we can easily video call anyone with the help of internet. And students and children, mostly children, play games on internet, and it's very harmful for them, and for developing her mental health. And thank you.
Very good. See, one of the thing what I can just get to know is that you are speaking really good, but this time you are not going like that. Why, Rukaiya? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
As expected, you are speaking. You haven't spoken this time that much. See, always remember, you are speaking really very good. I'm just so happy for this one as well. But see, what are you going to do here? You are going to do one thing. Point number one, general knowledge about the subject you should have. You're going to talk about the subject, what internet is. Next, general information about the subject, introduction of it, and then you're going to talk about the advantages and its advantages, and at the end, conclusion. That's it. Okay? You have spoken really very good, but I will suggest you only one thing. Whenever you take a topic, okay, ma'am, whenever you take a topic, just do one thing. Write down the points, main points, okay? Write down the main points and just try to elaborate them, and it will help you a lot to speak amazingly. Is that clear?
Sir, something I forget.
Yeah, I do understand. See what it happens, because we are human beings, right? ऐसा होता है, problem नहीं है. But what are you going to do here? You are going to make it clear that whatever you're going to speak up there, just make bullet points for this. Okay? And the moment when you
Okay,
make
sir.
bullet points, you're going to elaborate them. All right?
Okay, sir.
Good girl. Very good. At least you're trying and you're becoming the leader. I'm so happy for this one. Good. Keep up. Very good.
Sir, can I
Next
speak?
one, Mr. Mufiz. Can you please come on the camera?
Sir, on frequency, I know about that. You have told article.
Article first.
Yes, sir.
Turn on the camera.
Sir, start.
Yes, my dear. The apple of my eye. Start.
Good Ladies and gentlemen, I am Muhammad Mufiz Karnul. I am speaking on family and friends. I spend much. Sir, can you open that page on family and friends?
All right, my apple. Just a minute. Let me open it for you. Yes, here it is. Speak
Good
up.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Muhammad Mufiz Karnul. I am speaking about family and friends. Spend much time with my family and friends. I prefer spending time. I drink coffee with my family, eat snacks, some snacks with my family and friends also. My favorite friend name is Sim. He is intelligent in maths. Uh, with,
Good.
yes,
Keep
I
up, keep
am
up.
still Yes, I am still friend with her. I love her, and because he helped me in studying maths, and I also help him that way when I will fight with her. Then in 1 hour we get friends. The family is very important in our country. I gossip with my family in night. When I am in when any mistake, my friend help me with in the mistake and solve the problem of my. I love my friends and my family. My when the rotten apple tease me, my family is there for me, and the family and friends are for me, and I will also there for her. My family listen my all thing. I say I want one basketball. He brings basketball, and my father give me some like wing pens, balls, anything, etc. Thank you.
Good.
Sir, can I
It is
speak?
good. Yeah, sure. Just a minute. Let me just correct him. I want to say something here. See, my dear, you are speaking really good. I'm so happy for this one as well. But the thing is, what you are occurring some mistakes over here with your tenses. Now, today I want to gift all of you something. But at the end of the lecture, the person will be there at the end of the lecture till here. So everyone is going to get a very good, great gift that will improve your English amazingly. So if you are waiting for the gift, so just still wait till the end and you're going to get the best one.
Now I'm trying
All
to
right, let's
make
go for the
that.
next one. So Zainab has said that she's going to speak first. So Mr. Sahil, you are the fourth one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. Okay, Miss Zainab, are you ready there?
Yes, sir.
Very good, girl. Turn on the camera.
So
Good
start
girl. Speak. What's your topic?
home.
Home. Good. Speak up.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zainab Kanul. My topic is on home. I love my home. My home is near Makkah Masjid. I live in my flat and my flat number is 301. I live with my family. In my family, there are my parents, grandmother, uncle, aunt, siblings, and cousin sister. In my home, there are three rooms, and my favorite room is where I sleep. My walls are decorated with paint. There are frame and nice stickers. I want to change bedroom and hall. Near my house there is medical shop, tailor shop, hospital, and hotel.
My neighborhood is my neighbors are very nice people. They give us respect, and we also give them a respect. Yes, in our country, most people live in house, and small houses. The house needs people to live, and the house is very nice place. We can live with our family or alone. And there is a nice place to hide in my house, like cupboard, behind the door, inside the bed, under the bed, and I think the house is a nice place to live, and I love my house. Thank you.
Great girl. Very good. You have spoken awesome this time, huh? Zainab, you have spoken really
Thank
awesome
you.
this time. I'm really
Thank you,
happy for
sir.
this one. Very good, very good, very good girl. Spoken very nice. Good. I'm so happy for this one. Good. Keep up, keep up. Awesome. And Mufiz, just my dear, just try a little bit your tenses to be the best one. I'll be giving the gift today to all of you that will enchant your whole
Without
course.
seeing the paragraph to speak now, then how I am speaking with seeing the paragraph. Now I am trying that too.
No, no, no problem. No problem at all, my dear. You are going to speak without seeing as well. Good. Keep up. All right, Mr. Sahil. Can you please come in the arena? Good. Yes. Start, please.
So, ladies
What's the
and
topic?
gentlemen, good evening. Myself Sahil, and today's my topic is going out.
Don't
I
say
like
myself. Wait. Don't say myself Sahil. You should say my name is Sahil or I'm Sahil. Okay? Don't say myself Sahil. It is wrong.
topic is going out. I like to go out in the evening, and going out is good for all of us mentally as well as physically. Usually, when I go out, I like to interact with my friend and have a chat with them. And when I am out, I like to spend my time. I like to spend my time in gardens just because I like nature. I feel relaxed and chill, and mostly I like to go out with my friends only just because I like my friends' company to enjoy a bit more. And in a week, I go out every day. If I don't have any kind of important work, or either I am not busy in using mobile, and mostly young people like to go out in hill station areas and in beach and on beaches, just because they get disturbed from pollution, and to feel chill and relax. That's it, sir.
Okay. Good, good. And see, what do I feel here in your speaking? As I'm just noticing here, the way you are speaking, it is really awesome. But there should be, great energy. If you want to become a public speaker, Mr. Sahil, you should have great energy in yourself. Okay, so that you can become the greatest speaker on the stage. And apart from this one,
Sir,
whatever, yeah,
I don't feel much confidence at the time of speaking.
I do understand the way you were speaking. I do understand that you are not feeling so confident. But what I would like to suggest to you, that if you want to become the good public speaker, so just try to make yourself aware of it, that you are going to speak in front of the mirror or in front of the camera. Camera is the best thing, because see, camera is the dangerous part of speaking, that people are unable to face it well. Nobody faced it so sooner. So if you are going to face the camera, it will become the easier way to speak in public. So I will suggest you to go through the camera. It will help you a lot.
Okay, sir.
Good. And don't worry. See, if you are going to think about grammar, pronunciation, don't think about grammar, pronunciation, and or anything else. Because if you are going to think about it, then may God help. इसके बारे में नहीं सोचना ज़्यादा. See, whatever you are speaking, at least try to speak first. Grammar and each and everything, you'll just continue with it with your recordings and all. Okay. So don't worry.
Okay, sir.
You are going to learn each and everything easily, but just go through your confidence. Okay. And at least
Okay, sir.
try to speak here every day on Friday.
Okay, sir.
Getting it? Good. Let's
Okay.
go. Keep up. and just get prepared with your another topic, and that's what frequency adverbs. Okay, everyone is going to come here. Next one, Mujahid, my wonder boy. Mujahid, hello.
After
Okay,
some,
Gauss,
yes, after some time.
after some time. Okay, Gauss,
Yes, sir.
yes, will you speak, please?
Yes, sir.
Please come in the camera. Very good. Looking very, very handsome.
Thank you, sir. Today's my topic is my favorite book.
Oh,
Could you show, sir, some?
okay, my favorite book.
Yes, sir.
What shall I show you on book? Book is, I don't have the books topic over here.
Sir, reading book. This topic is there.
Okay, reading I can show you. You can talk about the favorite book or reading. Reading I will show you here. And see, the moment when you are speaking, Sahil,
Yes,
the
sir.
things, yeah, the sentences, what the questions which we have over here, you have to answer them. It will become very easier for you to speak up on the topic. Okay, and just
Okay.
correct the bullet points and just elaborate those bullet points in your own language while speaking.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Good, very good. Keep up. Yes, my dear Gauss, speak now.
Good morning, ladies, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today's my topic is my favorite book. My favorite book is
My name
Holy
is Michael
Quran.
Jackson.
My name is Gos Khalil Qureshi. I'm from Pune. My favorite book is Holy Quran. Holy Quran is very wonderful book. I read so many times. I read another books, but it's not perfect like Holy Quran. It's very nicely, and it's 30 jewel. So many prophet history in Quran, and he orders us people for Muslim, like how to nation is grow and fallen down. Allah give order in Quran. Hmm. For example, Isaac, peace be upon him, Lot, peace be upon him. Very nicely history. Allah is told us how to develop this nation and how to collapse this nation.
Done. Speak. Speak.
Uh, This book is revolt from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So many prophet history, and Allah is give order. uh, Allah is give order us, and how to read, how to perfect man, how to Muslim grow and give paradise. Allah give paradise and punish another's come another nations. Thank you, sir.
Speak.
Hello, sir. Some
Yeah,
is
yes.
problem, sir.
Okay. See,
Somebody
Gauss,
call
you are
me.
okay, no problem. By the way, you are speaking really good, and I want you to go with your tenses first of all. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and the way you are speaking, it is really good, and you're going to grow up, inshallah, sooner, and
Inshallah.
you're going to become a very good public speaker as well. I will suggest you to first of all start reading books.
Inshallah, sir.
As much as you are going to read, you're going to get the ideas to speak up. You'll get the sentences, you'll get the vocabulary, you'll get many things over there. So the better way is what? To speak, to read. If you want to speak, then you have to read. So start reading. Second thing I would like to suggest you is what tenses. The tenses, whatever we have done in our class, you have to go through all the tenses and you're going to practice them once again. Okay?
Sir, I understand, but I am not talking properly that
Yeah.
sentence.
See. What are you going to do here? If you're going to read there, if you start reading a book, you'll come to know, where exactly I have to use this tense, where exactly I have to use that tense. So the moment when you are going to read a book, you'll come to know exactly what tense and where to use it properly. Getting it? So the best way of speaking is what? Reading. So start reading. It will help you a lot to speak up. Okay? Good boy. Keep up. Next one, Mujahid. Mr. Mujahid. Yes, Mr. Mujahid. Hello. Hello, Mr. Mujahid. Busy man. Okay, Mufiz.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm riding.
Oh my God. Just please pay attention there. Please pay attention there. Yeah, after reaching, you're going to speak. Not now. Mufiz,
Yes, sir.
good boy. Can you please speak up on the topic of our frequency adverbs?
Sir, can you show on the...
Yes, here it is. All the frequency adverbs in front of you. Yes, come on the camera.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mohammad Mufiz Karnul. I am speaking about frequency adverbs. I always give respect to elders. I always want to become scientist in future. I usually do my homework. I usually play cricket with my brothers, sisters. I often use mobiles. I often help the people who don't have money clothes. I sometimes speak English in my family. I sometimes make videos, and now and then I go down to play. Now and then I watch television, movies, motivation movie. I occasionally watch Pretty as a picture of my childhood memories. I occasionally get dull as ditch water at home. I not often I not often help I not often tease my brother sister. I not often do my work with my father. I hardly ever get catch 22. I hardly saw the people are mad as a hatter. Uh, mad as a hatter. I rarely submit my assignment in school. I rarely not do my daily routine. Seldom I help my brothers in her school work. I seldom go in party. I never want to become rotten apple. I never want to become a driver in future. Thank you.
That's really amazing. Cool. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for this one now. See, some of the sentences contain some grammatical mistake, but see, you are speaking amazing, and the vocabulary which you have used here, just enchanting. Even the teachers don't know these things, Mufiz, and you are using over here. I'm really happy. Whatever I have taught you in the past, you are using it here. That's really amazing. Superb. That's what supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. That's really amazing, and you are going to get a great gift today. That's amazing. Mufiz, what's
Thank
your
you.
age?
Sir, 12.
What's your age, my dear?
12.
Just 12 years old boy is there, and he's speaking such a great language with amazing vocabulary. It is a great tight slap to the professional people who are unable to speak English just to crack the interviews. I'm really happy for this one. This is what the greatest result I can produce here by the grace of the God. Thank you so much. That's really amazing. You're going to get a reward. Good.
Can I
Amazing.
speak?
Keep up, my dear.
Yes,
My
sir.
dear Zainab.
Yes, sir.
Good boy. Superb. Zainab, ma'am, can you please turn on the camera? Very good girl. What's your age?
11.
11. Only 11 years old. Good. Cool girl. Very good. Speak up, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zainab Kurnal. I'm speaking about frequency adverbs. I always help my family and other people, and I always want to become a good person. I usually see TV before English classes, and I usually help people who are as blind as a bat. I often talk to my family at night, and I often see videos as dull as ditch water. Sometimes I learn to speak English, and sometimes I talk. I take short sleep at 4 p.m. Now and then I learn to speak Marathi, and now and then I learn to speak good things. Occasionally, I do work as agile as a monkey, and occasionally I do work as brave as a lion. Not often I tease people as bad
Nice.
as food, and not often I work with backseat driver. Hardly ever I celebrate my birthday, and hardly ever I do study. Rarely I play, and rarely I wake up early. Seldom I have my breakfast before 10 a.m. and seldom I see laptop. Never I play with people as deaf as a post, and never I try to dry food as dry as a bone. Thank you.
Wow. Superb. Amazing. That's marvelous. That's marvelous. Enchanting. That's really cool. Good. Amazing. It was really amazing that you people are using such great vocabulary, which I've taught you here in the last week as well and yesterday too. Amazing. Even the teachers don't know this kind of language here. The moment when you're going to grow up and you're going to speak up in the public, people are going to salute you. This is what my guarantee, inshallah. Amazing. You people are going just amazing. Cool. Very good. Very good. Superb. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Good. Amazing. Now, yes, my dear Sahil. Cool.
Okay,
Great, man. Come on the camera.
yes, sir. I have one. Today's my topic is frequency adverb. I always play cricket on a ground. Usually I perform well with bat. Often I perform bad with ball. Sometimes I do misfield. Now and then I have a bad day in the match. Occasionally I feel under the cloud while playing cricket. Not often. I don't play cricket like a gentleman. Hardly ever I get angry on my performance. Seldom I lost matches. Never I win matches consistently.
Good. But you have given only one sentences, my dear. I wanted two sentences. But you have spoken really amazing, huh? I loved it. I loved it. It was amazing. Good. Cool.
Okay, sir. Thank
Very
you.
good. Just make it double, okay? Make it double.
Okay, sir.
Make it double, my dear. Very good. Superb. Superb. Miss Rukaiya, the wonder girl of my class.
Yes, sir.
Very good, girl. Can you please turn on the camera?
Okay, sir.
Come up. Good girl. Yes. Speak up on frequency adverbs.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rukayan Sari. I'm student. Today I'm talking about my daily schedule with the frequency adverb. Usually I wake up 6-7 o'clock. Then and always sometimes I wake up in 8 o'clock, and often I read books in the morning, and now and then I now and then I have now and then I read newspapers, and occasionally I visit my relatives, and hardly ever I hardly ever I spend my time on computer, and never I go outside. Uh, and thank you.
Okay, that's really good. And see, don't hesitate, Rukaya. Please don't hesitate. You have to come up in the public. Okay, tension nahi lena hai. Always remember my Guru mantra is there that nobody is perfect. This Guru mantra is going to motivate you always. Why? Because nobody is perfect in the whole world. So what are you fearing for? किस लिए डर रहे हैं आप? So don't fear. Okay, my dear, go ahead. Always rock and roll. Good. Cool. Yes. Who is going to speak next? Mr. Goss. My dear Goss. My dear Goss. मेरे प्यारे Goss. Hello. Okay, Mr. Mujahid.
Yes, sir.
Are you fine now?
Yes, sir. My topic is computer. First, I
Oh,
speak,
come on the camera.
yes.
Good boy. Come on the camera. Cool. Yeah, what's the topic?
Computer.
Computer. All right. So do you want to see that page?
No, sir. I already opened.
Ah, very nice. So here you go. Yeah, can you please turn on the camera?
Is it open, sir?
No, not yet. Yeah, now it is fine. Good.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mujahid Khan. Let me talk about my about computer. Usually, I have a laptop. I use only laptops and sorry, sir. Actually, मैं ये open कर रहा हूँ तो ये चले जा रहा है.
Okay, no problem. Speak up.
Is it open?
No. You can speak up. I can listen to you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mujahid Khan. Let me talk about my topic. That is that's computers. I often use I haven't a computer, but I have a laptop. I usually use it before. I usually use it for learning online courses and my online lecture on there. I daily use it, and I learn from there. Before sometimes I bought a online course on from internet. That is MS Excel, and I learned from there. That is amazing. It is better to improve your skills, and it is used in your company, and
Yes.
I use and also I use for my college lectures. That is computer college lectures, and it is important to learn skills, and it is very useful for me. And thank you.
Okay. Mujahid, my dear, why are you fearing? आप डर क्यों रहे? Tell me that. Yes. किस चीज से डर लग रहा है आपको?
Actually, प्रेम करना नहीं आ रहा है सर. How to प्रेम?
See, टेंशन लेने का नहीं दोस्त. बहुत ही इजी चीज है. It is really very easy thing that to speak up. बोलना ही तो है. हमको करना क्या है? Always remember nobody is perfect. मैं हमेशा ये बात को बार-बार इसलिए बोलता हूँ ताकि आपको मोटिवेट हो और आपको लगे भाई जब सामने वाला परफेक्ट नहीं तो मैं उसके लिए डरूं क्यों? and you're going to speak up. Simple. And remember, grammar and each and everything, grammar, pronunciation, बहुत बात की बातें हैं. वो आएगा आगे आ जाएगा इंशाल्लाह हम लोगों को by our learning of our recordings and all I'll be giving you, so you can learn from there. But you have to speak up and see the way you are speaking. It is really good. I can understand. But see, what are you going to change there? Is what you have. You should have good subject knowledge, and you should write their bullet points. Just do one thing. आपको अगर कभी कुछ अगर बोलने का रहा तो क्या करने का? What are you going to do there? Just take a topic. For example, the topic is computer. All right. You are going to make bullet points there to speak up. And those are the bullet points you are going to elaborate. Simple. If you are elaborating those bullet points, your speaking is finished. हो गया आपका. Speaking will become amazing for you. You are going to elaborate those points. ये points है मैं इसको elaborate कर देता हूँ. Simple. Getting it? It is as simple as ABC. So speaking is not so a great challenge. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good, boy. So it is really very easy, and I believe that you are going to do it. And see, mashallah, alhamdulillah, you have great results from than before. As I have seen you, पहले आप बोलते भी नहीं थे, पहले भी नहीं बोलते थे, बिल्कुल नहीं बोलते थे. Okay, but now you are speaking really good. पता है ना, आप पहले जब क्लास में थे तो आप जब पहले इतना ज्यादा नहीं बोलते थे, but alhamdulillah, now you are coming up with your own points in your speaking there. I'm really happy for this one. So it is a really great motivation for yourself as well that you are speaking here. Okay, my dear, keep up.
Yes, sir.
All right, now by the way, one more topic is remaining. Mr. Mujahid and Mr. Gauss, you have to speak up on your frequency adverbs. Who will speak first? Who will speak first?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Gauss. Can you please turn on the camera?
Sorry, there is very pollution here.
Okay.
Sound
Sound
pollution.
pollution, noise pollution is there. No problem. Okay, Mr. Mujahid, can you please speak up? Can you please turn on the camera, Mujahid?
Okay.
Yes, my dear. You have to speak up on those frequency adverbs. Are you seeing there in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the day before yesterday, we were making sentences on them. You have to make an article. Each and every frequency adverb will contain 2 sentences. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Just make it. In front
Good
of you,
evening,
you have.
ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mujahid Khan. I'm speaking about frequency adverb. I talk about my daily routine. I always get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock, and then I usually go to the bath and take a bath, and then I often make a dinner. I make a breakfast to eat, and after that, after some time, I leave the home at on time, and I reach home. I reach office on time now and then, and occasionally I work. And I work very hard there, and not often
Yes, not often. I work late at night.
I not often leave my office at on time at 6 o'clock. Hardly ever I late to leave my office.
I get late to leave.
Hardly ever I get leave to leave of my office, and I rarely I really join my class on time of English class, and seldom I I come on online, and I never sleep uh, earlier in the night. Thank you.
Good. Keep up. डरने का नहीं दोस्त, डरने का नहीं बिल्कुल भी. You are going to speak good. साहिल ने बहुत बेस्ट बोला है. साहिल, मुफीज, that Zainab also. You also have spoken very good. थोड़ा slow बोला है आपने, but it is really good. And you can just frame the good sentences over here to speak up it in a well manner. Good. I'm really happy for this one. Who else is going to speak up?
Sir, I.
Very good boy. Come on. Come on.
Sir,
Cool.
frequency adverb बोलनी.
No, you can take any topic. You can take frequency adverbs. You can anything. I want you to speak up. That's it. Speak up in the camera.
Yes, sir. Sir, frequency adverb बोलनी.
Rukaya also has spoken very nice, huh? In frequency adverbs, she has spoken very amazing. I really liked it. Good. Keep up, Rukaya. But just have that energy. लगना चाहिए कि रुकैया मैडम है खतरनाक मैडम एकदम. You दिखना चाहिए कि बाबा मैं बोल रही हूँ पब्लिक के अंदर खड़ी होकर बोल सकती हूँ मैं. Yes or no? रुकैया.
Yes, sir.
Good girl. बनने का ऐसे जबरदस्त. सामने 4 लोग अगर आए तो उसको अपन अकेले फाइट कर सकते हैं by our English. Good.
Sir, when I'm in front of camera, I feel nervous.
I don't. Never mind. Never mind. कैमरे के ज्यादा आगे अपन आए नहीं है तो कोई मसला नहीं है. बट अभी हम लोग कैमरे से जितना ज्यादा बोल सकते हैं क्लास के अंदर प्रैक्टिस करने का उतना. It will be very easy for you, man. Very easy, inshallah. Don't worry, and I'll help you. I'll help you a lot. If you need any sort of help, you can just ask me anytime. No problem. Keep up. Uday also spoken very good and that works also. Good. So I have a surprise for all of you. Huh? I have a surprise for all of you. I'll give you this movie. Yes, my dear Mufiz.
Sir, your voice is too low.
Yes, my dear.
Sir, your voice is low.
Are you able to listen to me?
Sir, low, very low.
Oh, very low. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm able to listen you properly. Can you please start speaking? What is topic now? Are you going to speak about frequency adverbs or new topic?
Huh?
Frequency adverb.
Okay. Yes, continue please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mohammad Mufiz Karnul. I am speaking about frequency adverbs. I always go to school. I always meet my friends and my family members. I usually do my work with my father. I usually keep my daily routine, and I often write my notes in diary. I often write the what I have done in whole hour, in one day, what I have done. I write in diary. Sometimes I eat snacks, and sometimes I go for parties. Now and then I play with my brother sister because of the virus. Now and then I watch television. Like not often I go outside for playing. Not often I am becoming catch 22. Hardly ever I saw rotten apples. Hardly ever I saw the peoples are mad as a hatter. Rarely I have seen the people like pretty as a pie. Rarely, seldom I help my brothers, sisters. Seldom I do work of my house. Never I become rotten apple. Never I want to become any bad person. Thank you.
Good girl. Good boy. Amazing. Superb. I loved it. I loved it. Keep on, keep on. At this certain age you are speaking, inshallah, you'll become a very good public speaker. I believe so. Amazing. and you are using the great vocabulary which I have taught you yesterday and in the last week as well, and you're using it in your daily conversation as well. It is really superb. Even teachers don't know these things. Why do I say teachers? Because teachers are the great souls which should help you a lot to learn and earn in your life, and they don't know even, and you're going to speak such great English. Amazing. People are going to salute you in future. Very good. Keep up.
Sir,
Yes,
can I
Tasmina.
speak on family and friends?
Yes, my dear.
Family and friends, can I speak once more time?
No, just wait. If we'll have time, you are going to speak once again. Very good. Yes, Tasmia ma'am. Miss Tasmia,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Good.
Good. Can you please come on the camera?
Sir, I can't because I'm not prepared.
Oh my God. Okay, so are you going to speak up on frequency adverbs today?
Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you going to speak up on frequency adverbs?
Sir, मैं prepare नहीं हूँ आज.
Okay, I see. All the others have spoken on the topics as well as frequency adverbs also. So aren't you going to speak today anything?
No.
All right, no problem. Is there anyone else who would like to speak up? All right, no problem at all. So let's go ahead. Now, yesterday we have seen some phobias over here, and we have spoken today great things. I would like to suggest you something for reading and speaking here. Just have a look here. What I'm going to show you. The great tips of speaking in public. All right. Sorry. I'm going to share with you some great tips of speaking today. In the last week also, I've just spoken something on this one, but today I'm going to show you something else. Just have a look here. Now for speaking in public, I'll tell you about public speaking, what people think about it. Public speaking is not a very great thing. It is not a very great achievement to speak in public. Most of the people, they face some problems speaking in public. But frankly saying, speaking in public is not a very great deal. It is not a very big deal. Speaking in public, it is really very easy. As I've mentioned in my YouTube lectures as well, that speaking in public is really very easy. I'll ask you one more question. Simple question I'm going to ask you. You have to just answer me in the poll. Okay, I'm going to launch the poll. Yes or no only. Yes or no, you have to answer there in the poll. All right. Now my question is there. Generally, you interact with your family, correct? Sometimes you go for weddings, or if you don't go for weddings, even at the weekends or maybe in vacations, you meet your family friends, you have get together at your home, correct? You meet your relatives over there. Yes or no? Now my question is there to you. Do you talk to your friends? Do you talk to your family? Do you talk to your acquaintances? Do you talk to your cousins? Do you talk to your relatives when they have get together? Yes or no? Please answer me here. Do you talk to your friends? Do you talk to your relatives? Do you talk to your acquaintances? Do you talk to your parents as well? Do you talk to your siblings? Even in Hindi, even in Marathi, even in English, even in any other language, do you speak to them? I have here 7 students right now, and only 6 people have voted. Who one is remaining? I think someone is remaining. So now here, I don't know who is this person and who has said that, no, I don't talk. भाई कौन सी महान आत्मा है ये जिसने बोला है कि मैं बात ही नहीं करता हूँ, बोले माँ बाप से भी बात नहीं करता हूँ मैं. I'll tell you one more thing. The greatest inspiration for learning and for speaking, public speaking, is what I'm going to give you here, is what, whenever you are meeting your friends, you talk to them. Whenever you are meeting your parents, you talk to them. Whenever you are meeting your siblings, you talk to them. अरे घर में तो रहते हैं ना, ये फुटपाथ पे रहते हैं हम लोग. We live in a house and we speak to our parents, we talk to our father, we talk to our father, we talk to our mother, we talk to our siblings as well. At least we talk to our neighbors. अरे वो भी नहीं तो हम लोग we talk to our cousins, we talk to our friends as well. Public speaking will start from here only. In English, there is a proverb: charity begins at home. चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम. जहां से आप लोग को अगर स्टार्ट करना है कोई भी चीज का अच्छा काम, अगर आपको अच्छा करना है तो अपने घर से स्टार्ट करो. आई से दैट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर होम. दिस इज व्हाट माय फंडा. ये मेरा फंडा है. इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर होम. हाउ गोइंग टू स्टार्ट? कैसे बोलेंगे? मैं आपको आज एक नया टॉपिक बताने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग लोगों को लगता है कि बाबा कुछ नहीं है. यस, इट इज द ग्रेट आइडिया टू लर्न and earn. Learn and earn. You'll earn their money, paisa. You'll earn their fame, you'll earn their glamour, and many other things. Popularity by public speaking. I'll give you some great tips. Point number 1 is what you speak to your parents. Simple. मतलब आपके अंदर वो guts है कि आप लोग बात कर सकते हैं. You talk to your parents, you talk to your siblings, you talk to your friends. फ्रेंड्स से तो बात करते हैं. अब दुनिया में कोई ऐसा आदमी हो ही नहीं सकता जो कि मैंने किसी से बात ही नहीं करता हूँ. आई डोंट नो वो किसने वोट किया था वहां पर कि मैं नहीं करता हूँ बात. गलत. करते हैं, सभी लोग करते हैं, वरना अब तक के जिंदा कैसे हैं? अगर नहीं करेंगे पागल हो जाएंगे हम लोग. साइकोलॉजी सेज इफ अ पर्सन इज बीइंग अलोन फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, द मैन विल बिकम साइको कंप्लीटली. आई आस्क्ड यू वन क्वेश्चन. आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन टू ऑल ऑफ यू. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. मैं पोल लॉन्च करूंगा. You have to answer me. All right? Now, my question is there. My question is there. We have two people, Mr. A and Mr. B. अब मेरे पास में ध्यान देना. मैंने आप लोग को एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था पहले.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
पूछा था ना इस क्लास के अंदर मैंने.
Yes.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Okay, I'm asking once again. मैं आप लोगों का सिर्फ लॉजिक देखना चाहता हूँ, आपका दिमाग देखना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग का दिमाग कौन से लेवल तक के है. मतलब मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं बहुत भारी हूँ. मैं सिर्फ आप लोगों को ये देखना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग कौन से लेवल तक के सोच सकते हैं और कितना ऊंचा सोच सकते हैं. We have two people, Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A has killed one man. एक आदमी को उसने मार दिया है, खत्म कर दिया, कत्ल कर दिया उसने. And Mr. B has killed 100 men. 100 लोगों को मारा है उसने. Did I ask you this question in this class? ये
No,
क्लास में
sir.
पूछा है मैंने
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन. Yes, Sahil.
Not in the basic grammar also.
Okay. Now my question is very simple. We have two people here, Mr. A who has killed one man, Mr. B who has killed 100 men. What are the punishments are you going to give them? One by one answer देना है please. और जिसको आंसर मेरा पता है वो आंसर नहीं देगा. ओनली न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, जिसको नहीं पता है वो आंसर देंगे, उन लोग के पर्सपेक्टिव्स कि उन लोग क्या देने वाले हैं. यस, हु विल आंसर फर्स्ट? मिस्टर साहिल.
Sir, I will punish to both of them because they killed. It doesn't matter they kill 1 or 100.
Okay, so you are going to hang them, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Mr. Goss, what's your opinion? Hello? I think he's in the public, he's in traffic. Mr. Mujahid, what's your opinion? Hello? Do you know the answer? Hello? No, actually, I'm not able to listen to you. Okay, Miss Tasmia. Yes, please. What are you going to do with these people? What are the punishments are you going to give? Say, ma'am. Yes.
Sir, no idea.
Okay, Mufiz.
Sir, A.
Yes.
A, sir.
No, I'm not asking that. Listen to me carefully. There are two people, Mr. A who has killed one man and Mr. B who has killed 100 men. Some of the people they say, like Sahil has said, I'll be punishing them, I'll be hanging them. But मजा नहीं आएगा यार. ये जो A है हिल से, अरे यार उसने 100 मर्डर्स किया, उसको भी सेम सजा, मैंने एक मर्डर किया, मुझे भी सेम सजा. एक काम करता हूँ, मैं 99 और मार कर आता हूँ, मैं भी 100 मार कर आता हूँ, फिर मुझे आप लोग सजा दो. मैं क्या करूँ पता है आपको? What I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? I'll hang Mr. A. मैं इसको जो Mr. A है, I'll hang him. उसको लटका दूंगा फांसी पे. And Mr. B, I won't hang him. I'll leave him alone. मैं उसको अकेला छोड़ दूंगा. आपको पता है क्या होगा? इसको बोलते हैं दिमाग. ध्यान दीजिए, साइकोलॉजी बोलते हैं इसको. If I'm going to hang this Mr. A, he's going to die once. एक बार मरेगा वो. And if I'm going to keep this person alone, Mr. B, he is going to die every moment of the day, every moment of the life. He will die every moment of the life. हर पल पल मरेगा. आप लोगों को शायद पता नहीं रहेगा, जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं रोमांटिक लगेगा, बट रोमांटिक नहीं है. लोग बोलते हैं ना तन्हाई और जुदाई बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ देती है, ऐसा है वो. I'm going to make that Mr. B completely alone. उसको अकेला छोड़ दूंगा. एक ऐसे काल कोठड़ी के अंदर रखेंगे जहां पे वो किसी से बात क्या किसी की फीलिंग्स को भी महसूस नहीं कर सकता. The man will be completely alone. He won't have even a single person to speak up. He won't have even a single person to take care of him. He won't have even a single person to look at him. वहां पे उसके लिए कोई नहीं रहेगा. He'll have the toilet and the cage will be there. पिंजरा रहेगा उसके लिए. And the person will be alone, and after being alone, that Mr. B is going to die every moment of his life. साइको हो जाएगा, पागल हो जाएगा वो, जब उसके पास में कोई नहीं रहेगा. उसको देखने के लिए भी उसको तरस जाएगा कि लोगों को. काल कोठड़ी में जब पड़े रहेगा ना, he will die every moment of his life. Do you know one more thing? Ignorance. किसी को आप लोग इग्नोर करते हैं, एक वो होता है, बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज है. इग्नोर करो आप किसी को भी. लोग समझते नहीं है. साइकोलॉजी है. इट इज अ साइकोलॉजी. इफ यू आर इग्नोरिंग, इट किल्स द मैन. किल्स. आज आप लोग देखो, लोग स्टेटस रखते हैं, इग्नोर. देखो उसको कैसे तन बदन में आग लगती कि यार ऑनलाइन है, मैसेज देख के सीन किया पर मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है. जल जल के मर जाएगा उधर वो. The man will die. Why? Ignore. Same case, I'm going to ignore this man. तलवार से एक बार गर्दन कटेगा, but if I'll ignore this man, he is going to die every moment of his life. So what people are saying about you, ignore them. They are going to die. अरे यार, तो सुनता ही नहीं मेरी बात. To hell with you, because it's my life. So ultimately, this is the greatest motivation I can say in a negative way, that if you are ignoring people, ultimately you'll grow up. So point number 1 for public speaking is what I would like to give you. If you are speaking to your parents, means you have the ability. You have the ability to talk in public. If you're talking to your siblings, you have the ability to speak in public. If you're talking to your friends, charity begins at home. वहां से start करो. How?
So what means of charity?
चैरिटी मतलब यानी क्या बोलेंगे यार, चैरिटी को क्या बोलते हैं उर्दू में? खैरात वगैरह बोलते हैं क्या? चंदा. चंदा चंदा वो वर्क नहीं काटते ना, चंदा ऐसे देते हम लोग. खैरात वगैरह देते हैं, सदका.
Yes, sir.
चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम. तो चैरिटी आप लोग जो है, दान. दान धर्म वगैरह होता है ना, तो दान वगैरह करना, तो दान घर से स्टार्ट करो। कैसे करेंगे? स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग टू योर सिबलिंग्स, उनसे बात करना स्टार्ट करो। बहुत ही जबरदस्त चीज है, बात करो, दिल हल्का हो जाता है, मन हल्का हो जाता है। सिंपल, स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग टू देम। सेकेंड टिप, if you are feeling under the cloud while speaking English, so what are you going to do there? You are going to speak little bit one sentences in English. For example, आप खाने के लिए बैठे हैं, आप चप्पल उतार रहे हैं, please keep off your shoes outside. अंदर आओ ना, प्लीज कीप ऑफ योर शूज। एक छोटा सा सेंटेंस आपने दिया वहां पर इंग्लिश का, हिंदी बोलते बोलते इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कीजिए। मम्मी प्लीज गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, अम्मी पानी का गिलास दो ना। उससे अच्छा आप लोग ये बोल सकते हैं। इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट टू मेक योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इन पब्लिक। घर पे बोलना स्टार्ट किया, कहीं पर भी बोल सकते हैं। आज एक जो लेडी है जिसका मैंने स्टेटस पर डाला हूं, दैट गर्ल in the afternoon when I was taking the lecture, she said that sir, I could not speak today, neither in front of the camera, neither off the camera. Why? I asked her. She said my sister is sitting next to me. I started praising her. Ma'am, you can do anything. You are the king of this class. You are the queen of this class. This and that. मैंने बहुत कुछ बोला मैम को, and she came on the camera, and the way she has spoken, amazing. You can see there the video I've just uploaded on my status. Arey, you can do it. So, if you talk to your parents, you have the ability to speak in public as well. बोलो, पास्ट को छोड़ दो, पास्ट में जो कुछ भी हुआ उसको छोड़ दो, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। क्योंकि देखो, पास्ट को अगर आप लोग देकर जिएंगे, आपका प्रेजेंट खराब हो जाएगा, और प्रेजेंट में अगर आप लोग बिजी रहेंगे तो फ्यूचर कैसे बनाएंगे? सो पास्ट को छोड़ देने का, वॉट एवर यू हैव फेस्ड, आई अंडरस्टैंड इट वॉज रियली पेनफुल, बट you have to focus on your present. You have to make your present much more better. Ignore the people, it hurts people a lot. मैं लोगों को वही करता हूँ। People used to say, बचपन से मुझे लोग बोलते थे तू जीन्स कैसे पहन लेता है यार। मैंने और ज्यादा पहनना स्टार्ट किया, और ज्यादा पहनना स्टार्ट किया, और ऐसे लेवल पर आया that I use casual clothes more than formal. अभी भी मैंने फॉर्मल स्टार्ट किया हूँ। As a teacher, people used to say, अरे यार आप लोगों को फॉर्मल पहनना चाहिए, जरूरी है क्या? अभी मैं उम्र ही क्या है मेरी, क्या बुढ़ा हूं क्या मैं? So this is what, ignore people, it hurts people a lot, and focus on yourself. Simple. So this is what first tip of public speaking. Second is what I'm going to tell you, speak at home in English one sentences in your Hindi. हिंदी के अंदर एक आधा इंग्लिश का सेंटेंस छोड़ देने का, आप लोग को एक मोटिवेशन मिलेगा कि यार मैं बोल रहा हूँ वहां पर। लोग आजकल ये कर रहे हैं, अरे यार ये इतना सूटेबल नहीं है। अभी जो वर्ड कहाँ से आया सूटेबल? हिंदी का निकाल के लाते बैठेंगे तो जमाना हो जाएगा। सूटेबल की जगह पे आप लोगों ने, आपने कुछ बोल सकते हैं सूटेबल को उर्दू हिंदी के अंदर, उससे अच्छा सूटेबल बोल दिया। आप लोग बोलते हैं तो भाई मेरा फोन किधर है, फोन का है मेरा, तो आप लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरा दूरध्वनि यंत्र किधर है, अब भ्रमण ध्वनि यंत्र चालू करो जरा। अब बोलेंगे तो पागल है, अब टीवी चालू करो जरा। सो टीवी इंग्लिश वर्ड, ट्राई टू यूज इंग्लिश वर्ड्स इन योर हिंदी। सिंपल, इट विल गिव यू ग्रेट बूस्ट अप ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस। थर्ड थिंग, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? सिंपल सी चीज है, अपना सीक्रेट है भाई। अब सीक्रेटली आप लोग क्या क्या करते हैं आप लोगों को बेहतर मालूम है। दरवाजे का लगाने का कड़ी, लॉक द डोर। इनसाइड द रूम, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? सेल्फीज लेते हैं कि नहीं आप लोग?
Yes,
लेते
sir.
कि नहीं? कोई मना कर ही नहीं सकता कि मैं नहीं लेता हूं, बोलना ही मत, मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं। अलग अलग मुंह बनाते लेते सेल्फीज, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
आपके बीच में और वो फोन के बीच में कोई नहीं आता है। आप अकेले होते हो, वो फोन अकेला होता है। सिंपल, टेक अ वीडियो, शूट अ वीडियो, एक वीडियो शूट करो, शूट अ वीडियो, वीडियो शूट करना स्टार्ट करो। किसकी? खुद की। चाहिए तो बाद में डिलीट मार डालो। आपको पता है एक वीडियो शूट करने के बाद में, पहले तो आपको देखने के बाद में आपको लगेगा अरे मैं हूं ये, अरे मेरी आवाज है। आपकी आवाज आपका सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है। स्टार्ट रीडिंग विथ लाउड नॉइस। आसपास में रेडियो वीडियो चालू कर दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। स्टार्ट रीडिंग विथ लाउड वॉइस एंड विथ लाउड नॉइस। आजू बाजू वाले का आवाज भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपका भी उसके अंदर पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो। एंड शूट अ वीडियो एंड जस्ट जज योरसेल्फ। अरे यार मैं बोल रहा हूं, आपको अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। आपको बाजू वाले की, बाहर वाले की किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं है। ना माँ की, ना बाप की, ना भाई की, ना बहन की, किसी की जरूरत नहीं है। आप खुद को देख रहे, ओ माय गॉड मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये, आई एम स्पीकिंग दिस, क्या मैं खुद बोल रहा हूं। यू विल कम टू नो, फिर आपका एक लेवल पे कॉन्फिडेंस उस लेवल पर जाएगा इंशाल्लाह ऐसे लेवल पर आप लोगों का कॉन्फिडेंस जाएगा कि आप लोगों को इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते आप लोग, अरे यार मैं ये लेवल पे पहुंचा कैसे, क्या क्या था मैं और मेरी जर्नी कैसे क्या बन गई है, क्या था मैं और मैं कैसे क्या हो गया हूँ। एग्जैक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू डू समथिंग ग्रेट। मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि मेरे पास में ऐसे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स थे जो बेचारे जिनको तो बोलना क्या कुछ भी नहीं आता था, एंड इट वाज अ ग्रेट चैलेंज फॉर मी टू एक्सेप्ट इट। उन लोगों को पढ़ाना, उन लोगों को सिखाना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था। वो मैंने लिया चैलेंज और मैंने उसको काम करना स्टार्ट किया उसके ऊपर, एंड आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट, एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I achieved it, and those are the students, those are the people. Now they are going amazing. They are going supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'll share with you something, my great memories. मैं आपको मेरे कुछ memories दिखाना चाहता हूँ. Just a minute, okay? Give me 2 minutes so I can just show you something where I was and where I am now. मैं क्या था, कहाँ से क्या पहुँचा. It was a time for me. ऐसे भी टाइम थे मेरे पास में कि मैंने कहाँ से क्या किया हूँ. लोगों से डरो मत, लोगों का काम है सिर्फ और सिर्फ बोलना. वो आपको सिर्फ बोलकर छोड़ देंगे और आप एड़े के ऐसा उन लोगों को क्या करेंगे, देखते बैठेंगे, अरे यार ऐसा भी होता क्या. मैं आपको मेरा असलियत बता रहा हूँ, ये आपको कोई बताएगा नहीं, ये आपको कोई भी बताएगा नहीं. पर मैं मेरे फेलियर से डरता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे उसी फेलियर ने मुझे सिखाया है. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग विथ यू माई पिक्चर. आप लोग बोलेंगे अरे बाप रे क्या कर रहा है ये मैंने आज तक कभी किसी के साथ में शेयर नहीं किया हूँ. जस्ट टू मोटिवेट यू आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू माई पिक्चर. आर यू सीइंग देयर? दिख रहा है? ये मेरा पहला डेमो. मैं जहां खड़ा हूं, खड़ा होकर मैंने यहाँ पर किस चीज के ऊपर रखा हूं, देखो मेरा लैपटॉप कहाँ मैंने, टेबल के ऊपर, टॉवल के ऊपर, ताकि फिसल ना जाए. ये मैंने यहाँ पर रखा हूं मेरा. मैं मेरे घर में खड़े होकर मैं दे रहा हूँ क्या, लेक्चर डेमो दे रहा था. ये मेरा फर्स्ट डेमो था लॉकडाउन के अंदर. कभी मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा भी होगा. इट वॉज द टाइम फॉर मी टू ग्रो अप. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया, कोई हंसता है हंसो. मैंने खास मेरे भाई ने फोटो लिया, मैंने उसको बोला उठा के रखिए फोटो, बहुत काम की चीज है, आगे चल के मुझे बहुत काम में आने वाले लोगों को बताऊंगा कि भाई मैं कहाँ था और कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंचा हूँ. नाउ आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग विथ यू व्हाट आई हैव अर्नड एंड लर्न इन माय लाइफ. हियर इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
औरतें बैठी हैं ना आपको दिख रही है जो औरतें बैठी हैं, ये
Yes, sir.
औरतों के जिसके सामने पर खड़े होकर मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये औरतें सब मेरे अम्मी की उम्र की हैं. ये दिख रहा है आपको? एसएनडीटी कॉलेज पुणे, बॉम्बे का एसएनडीटी कॉलेज है, विमेंस कॉलेज है. ये सब टीचर्स औरतें हैं सब. ये सब टीचर्स औरतें हैं ये, और इनके सामने खड़े हैं हम. अभी मैंने जिंदगी में सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इस लेवल पर भी जाऊंगा कभी. ये खड़े हम, ये सब ये ऐसे टाइम पे फोटो लिए गए जब हमको तो कुछ मालूम भी नहीं था. ये सब औरतें पूरी बैठी हैं यहाँ पर, अंदर और भी औरतें थी बैठी हुई. ये सब कैसे, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, ये अल्लाह सुब्हान व तआला का गिफ्ट है हमारी. वरना क्या है, टेंशन लेना नहीं है. आपको लगता है मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, करो. दिस इज द ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ माई क्लास that you are going to speak up here. Inshallah you can speak anywhere in the whole world. You're facing the camera, you can go anywhere. This is what my guarantee. Simple. So पहली ट्रिक मैंने आपको कुछ 3 टिप दिया हूं आज मैंने, उन टिप्स के ऊपर काम करना स्टार्ट करो. टिप नंबर 1, टॉक टू योर सिबलिंग्स. किसी से बात करो, दिल हल्का हो जाएगा आप लोगों का. बात करो, कुछ भी बात करो, मजाक करो. मैं मजाक मस्ती बहुत करता हूँ, बहुत मतलब बहुत ज्यादा करता हूँ. इतनी कि मतलब अभी क्लास में तो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत बंद किया हूँ, पर मैं मेरी क्लासेस के अंदर बहुत मजाक मस्ती करता हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स को स्टूडेंट्स के लेवल पर जाकर समझाता हूँ, उनका दोस्त बनकर समझाता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी उम्र में बुढ़ा नहीं हूँ भाई. ओके, तो मैं उनको उनके लेवल पर समझाता हूँ, उनके लेवल पर जाकर पढ़ाता हूँ. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स देम, इट हेल्प्स मी एज वेल. सो दिस इज व्हाट, सी, मेरे लिए भी है, आपके लिए भी है, खुले एग्जाम एंजॉय करने का. नेक्स्ट वन, टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स और सिबलिंग्स. पॉइंट नंबर 1, आपको वहां से कॉन्फिडेंस जनरेट होगा. पॉइंट नंबर 2, स्टार्ट रीडिंग विथ लाउड नॉइस. आजू बाजू में भी आवाज करो, खुद का भी आवाज बड़ा रखो. आपकी आवाज आपका सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है. आपकी आवाज जब कानों में आपके जाएगी, आपको कुछ समझेगा, कुछ नया मिलेगा. एंड नंबर 3 इज व्हाट, स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग. आपका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करो, देखो, आपका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करो, देखो, आपको खुद इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, एक दिन आपको लगेगा यार मैं कितना खूबसूरत दिख रहा हूं ना. अपने आप को कौन मना करता है? लाइक योर सेल्फ टू बी लव्ड. मैंने आज के आर्टिकल में लिखा हूं, मेरे आज ही मैंने पोस्ट किया है. If you are not loving yourself, nobody will love you. If you're not liking yourself, nobody will like you. Remember this. So be the best version of yours by doing these things. तो आज मैंने 3 टिप दिया हूँ. आगे की कुछ चीजें जो है मैं आपको अगले लेक्चर में बताऊंगा इंशाल्लाह. So for today we are going to quit here. We are going to have the session on Monday. All right. Take care. Happy weekends. Cheerio. Yeah. अरे मुफीज, थैंक यू सो मच. आप सभी लोगों के लिए गिफ्ट आज का ये है that I'll be giving you overview of all tenses. जितने भी टेंसेस मैंने अभी तक पढ़ाए हैं आपको सबका ओवरव्यू मिलेगा एक वीडियो के अंदर. वो वीडियो मैं आज आप लोगों की अपलोड करूंगा आपके एप्लीकेशन पे, आपके बैच के अंदर. ओके, तो आप लोगों को वहां पर लिटरली सारी टेंसेस की एक ओवरव्यू मिल जाएगा. यू कैन लर्न देम एंड यू कैन मेक बेटर सेंटेंसेस एंड यू कैन स्पीक अप मच मोर बेटर देन दिस. ओके,
Bye
this
bye.
is the gift to you. Inshallah, just go and watch that video and you'll learn their tenses easily. मैंने क्लास को ओवरव्यू दिया था, वो मैं आप लोगों को वहां पर पोस्ट कर देता हूँ वीडियो. ऑलराइट, विल सी यू. Cheerio.
Bye bye.
Cheerio.
Hope you have enjoyed the lecture and you have got something.